What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be removing the Beetles nail tip and glue set. I've had this set on for about 3 weeks now, so it's time to remove them. I've had a few people ask how I remove them, so I just thought that I would get on here and do a quick video on showing you guys how to remove them. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. It helps my channel so much. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started, and you're going to need a bowl, you're going to need some nail clippers, you're going to need some polish remover, and I also use this electric drill for your nails. I'm going to have everything linked below in the description box for you. I got this off of Amazon, and what I like about this one is you can control the speed of it. So once you turn it on, you can control how fast it's going. You can turn it down to where it completely stops, or you can speed it way up, which of course I keep it low when I'm removing any type of nails or anything. But this is not that expensive, and I just love to use this. It's so much quicker than using a handheld file, but if you're not comfortable with a electric one, you can absolutely use a handheld file. But like I said, I just prefer to use the electric one. It's just a lot quicker. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my nail clippers and I'm going to cut my nails down as short as I can. And I'm just going to, as they fling everywhere, just going to cut them down as short as I can. And then I'm going to take my electric file and I'm going to just file the top of this. So what you want to do is you want to knock the clear coat off. So if you don't have the electric file, you're going to take your handheld file and you're just going to scratch at the surface to remove that clear coat. Okay, so now that I have the clear coat roughed up, I'm just going to add my fingernail polish remover to my bowl. And I like to use a big bowl so I can kind of do both of my hands at the same time. I like to take a towel, place it over top of my hand so I can lay it on the bowl, because this, if you just let it set over top of your hands, it helps to conceal the smell, so you're not like sitting here smelling that fingernail polish remover as strongly. So that's why I like to just cover my hands with an old towel or a washcloth, and I'm just going to kind of work my hands around in here a little bit, and I'm going to let them set for like 10 minutes. So this part is kind of time consuming, but this is how I remove them without damaging my fingernails or trying to rip them off, because it will pull your actual fingernail. These are on very good, so if you try to rip them off, it's going to tear up your natural nail, and I try to avoid that because that hurts. So I try to do it the painless way. I don't mind that it takes a little bit of time of soaking my nails. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes. I'm going to take my nails out, and I'm going to do one hand with the actual file, so in case you don't have a electric file, you can see what I'm doing. usually starts going a bit quicker once you get all of that polish removed. The actual gel tips come off pretty easily. It usually takes me about 30 minutes. I usually like to knock the top coat off, soak for 10 minutes, file, soak for another 10 minutes, file, and then I'll soak for like 5 minutes, file, soak for another 5 minutes, file. It's just kind of that process, just keep filing in between of soaking. And like I said, once you would get through all that polish and stuff, the actual tips itself soak off pretty easily. Okay. And like I said, doing it, you can do it with this type of file. It just takes a bit longer to get them off. I much rather do it with my electric drill, but I just wanted to show you guys that you can do it with just a regular handheld file. You don't have to have the drill. It's just so much quicker if you do. Okay, and then I'm just gonna take this file and just kind of file them down now that I have all the glue and everything removed. I'm just gonna file the edges. Okay, so I got all my nails filed down. I'm gonna go wash my hands really quick and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, I am back and I washed my nails and this is what they look like, and they are ready for a new set. So I'm actually probably going to give them a day or two before I redo another set. I'd like to give my nails a day or two break in between. So yeah, I'm just going to do my nails in a few days and we will have a brand new set. If you guys have any questions or anything, just let me know down in the comment section. I will get back with you. And I will see you guys in my next video when I put on my new set. Bye!